Final accounts adjustments can be a little tricky. इसीलिए in this video we are going to cover all important adjustments which are necessary for the exam. You must know because इनमें से majority adjustments exam में आने ही वाले हैं. In this video we are going to cover 5 types of adjustments: closing stock, at cost or market value, how to deal with prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses, income received in advance and accrued income. After the end of this video, you are going to understand all of these adjustments and एकदम thoroughly समझने वाला है. In the first situation, let's say the adjustments is something like this. Closing stock valued at cost was rupees 12,000. However, the market value of closing stock was rupees 10,000. Now, we know that closing stock is recorded on the credit side of trading account. But at what price? 10,000 or 12,000? The rule says closing stock should always be valued at cost or market value, whichever is lower. Therefore, it will be recorded at 10,000. Second effect, closing stock is also an asset. Therefore, in the balance sheet on the asset side, which is basically the right side, closing stock will appear at 10,000. Two effects, don't ever forget. Number 2, ट्रायल बैलेंस दिया हुआ है जिसमें इंश्योरेंस इज एट ₹6,000 एंड द एडजस्टमेंट सेज दैट इंश्योरेंस इंक्लूड्स प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस ₹1,000. इंश्योरेंस इज योर इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस, देयरफॉर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड पे जाएगा 6,000. नाउ this 6,000 includes ₹1,000 that belongs to the next year because it is prepaid. Therefore, you have to subtract prepaid insurance 1,000, which means 5,000 will be debited to profit and loss account. Now, prepaid insurance is also your asset, so second effect will be in the balance sheet on the asset side. Prepaid insurance 1,000. अगर आपको इसमें और कोई भी डाउट है, reach out to me on my personal telegram for free doubt solving anytime. Now let's move on to the third type. Trial balance में salary दिया हुआ है ₹7,000 and the adjustments say that outstanding salary was ₹3,000. Salary, just like insurance, is also an indirect expense. So profit and loss account के debit side पे to salary account 7,000. Now outstanding salary means salary जो due है but आपने भरी नहीं है. It is your expense. Therefore, it will be added. Add outstanding salary 3,000, so your total salary expense becomes 10,000. Now, this outstanding salary is also a liability for you. Therefore, in the balance sheet on the liability side, outstanding salary will be recorded at 3,000. Number 4, the trial balance gives you commission received income of 15,000 and the adjustment states that commission includes 2,000 received in advance. Now, commission received is an income. Therefore, in the profit and loss account on the credit side, you will write by commission 15,000. Now, this 15,000 includes 2,000 जो आपने एडवांस में रिसीव किया है, मतलब काम पूरा करने के पहले ही you have received this money. Therefore, it has to be subtracted because it is not relating to this year. Minus advance 2,000. Therefore, the total income for the year will be 13,000. Now, advance commission is also a liability because आपने किसी के पैसे ले लिए without doing the work. So, in the balance sheet on the liability side, advance commission will be recorded at 2,000. Last, number 5, the trial balance says interest received is 4,000. It is an income because it is on the credit side and the adjustment says that ₹1,000 interest income is yet to be received. Now it is an income, therefore P&L account के credit side पे you will write by interest account 4,000. Now let's look at the 1,000. ये income, it is yet to be received, which means you have earned it but you have not received it. Therefore it will be added. Add receivable income 1,000 because your total income is 5,000. Now, interest receivable is an asset because you have to yet receive money from someone. In the balance sheet on the asset side, you will record interest receivable ₹1,000.